Good morning.
Good morning. We're getting packed up.
So, we're on our way to King of Hammers. I don't really know what to expect. I've never been there. All I've seen is crazy videos. So, we'll see you at King of Hammers. Yep. Look at that.
Say hey, YouTubers.
We got Ice Age.
Welcome to Hammertown.
Now, it's all about trying to figure out where we are gonna camp around here.
It's so dusty.
Yeah, it's crazy. Even with like putting all the water down.
Shane, what do you think? Are you excited?
She's cold.
Oh,
What do you think? Hammertown.
there's somewhere right here. I know who I'm looking for. I don't know what cars and stuff.
You see how we're at the campsite and we're making videos, YouTubers. So, anyway, we're looking for a parking spot. Is this gonna take hours or no? But I'm Ryan. We're parking and we're getting out. We're gonna get out sooner or later. You guys just wanna party, right? Okay, I'll show you. So there it is. That's a doggy.
So, we made it. And that's Craig's stuff right there. I think they're qualifying right now, so we're gonna drop the cart off the trailer and head over there and see if we can't find them and see what's going on. And it's cold. It is real cold. So, look at the man right there. He's ready for battle. Need help? Look at this. Just look at this right here. Look at this.
I'm having fun.
You ready to go watch some race cars? He's ready to do war.
I'm excited.
So we're gonna head down to hopefully where they start the race. I'm hoping that there is some form of food and drink down there. Once again, I've never been here, so I don't know what to expect. Hopefully it gets a little bit warmer because it's freezing. We'll see you over there. What, did I go too fast?
Well, a little, but Lily said, you see how this rock is like really big? She said it might be the bump that makes it go like jolt.
Did you get hit with mud?
No.
No, I did. I got hit with, like a bunch of times with mud. All right, you excited to go see what's going on?
Yeah.
All right. So we're just standing out here in the dust. This place is pretty cool. It's huge. A lot of stuff going on. So it should be fun. Look who it is! How's it? How you doing? We're at the finish line at King of Hammers, waiting for Craig to cross the line. How far out were you? You broke a belt?
10 miles.
Ooh.
I don't think he saw us. We were all in the dust, and we got caught up behind a 10 car, and the 10 car bolted off. And then it was so dusty, couldn't see anything, so I was just puttering it, and I think he just came through the dust.
Oh, hot noodles. So I just flew a pack, actually 2, up over that mountain over there, and it's already starting to get really, really dusty. Yesterday, I mean, you couldn't even see the sky, it was so dusty. Today looks like it's gonna be about the same. You start to see how much dust is already coming up. I don't know how much flying I'm gonna get to do today. We're leaving today. We'll see. We just got up here and I think we just missed the last truck. I'm gonna try to do some flying. Cause look, it's a totally different day today. There's where we are, down there somewhere.
Hey! This is awesome. Yeah, it's such a pretty day. We just went on a nice ride and Reverend Zuli had a blast.
I think it's Rever's best day.
I think it's been his best day he's ever had.
What about you, Zuli? Best day?
Yeah.
So we just went on a trip to go fly and chase some trophy trucks. We went all the way up there. Actually, we went all the way around looking for spots, and I found a spot. And I go to fly, and I forgot my radio. So we had to drive all the way back here. So I was only able to get a few clips, but I think the ones that I got are pretty awesome. And drop down these hills. Oh, I almost lost signal. I went to the top of this here, and I was dropping down through there to catch the trucks coming down this way. And I got to like 10 megabytes or something. And it all went like grays, the digital shit. And almost put her down way up there, and that would have been a loss. But I didn't. I punched out and then dropped down a different way and was able to catch the truck down this whole section right here, and I think I got a few good ones. So I hope you enjoy them. I'll show it to you now. Woo!
No time for supervision. Hey, 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 hey. No time for discipline, and I don't want your charity, and I don't need no sympathy tonight. Don't need no sympathy tonight. Don't need no sympathy tonight. Hey, 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 hey. No time for self-destruction. Hey, 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 hey. What seems my only function? I don't want your charity, and I don't need no sympathy tonight. 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 Don't need no sympathy. Don't need no sympathy tonight. sympathy tonight. Don't need no sympathy tonight. Don't need no sympathy. Don't need no sympathy. Don't need no sympathy tonight.
Thanks, you guys.
Later, man. Bye, friend.
We got the car all loaded up, and I think we're heading home. I think we're gonna call quits on this video. From all of us here at the desert and FPV Adventures, we'll catch you on the next one. I need to do windshield wipers.
Yeah, you do. Oh my god.